Okay, I am leaving Mendoza. Today I'm going to try to do a track in the mountains. I cannot go there. May I? No, I can't. Can I go there? Maybe yes. Yeah, maybe it's not really allowed, but if I go super slowly, yeah, it's like I'm a bicycle, because I don't understand this application, Maps.me. I really don't. So now he thinks I'm a bicycle, and I am not. So I cannot drive as a bicycle, but it is the only way I can go off-road. Otherwise, he always take me back to the main road, and I don't understand how it works. I'm getting mad with these things. Well, I really need to understand this application, because it's a good application, but they should add a motorbike off-road, I don't know, tool or off-road something. Hola. Ah voilà, c'est ça. Okay, this is my food for the day. I mean, for the 95 kilometers that I have to do. If ever something happens to me, at least I have a little something to eat. It seems that I'm leaving the main road. I will deflate my tires. This is very sad. I see this everywhere. There's plastic bags and plastic bottles beside the roads. Mrs. Marmotte, are you ready to hit the track? Let's go. Gracias. So this guy doing this with a mountain bike, they have a lot of courage, because even with a bike and an engine, it's quite difficult. So it's another level of doing sports. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay, this is the road I just did. The place is quite amazing. Some parts are more difficult than others, but I'm doing quite okay, I think. For the first time, I think I'm not that bad, but I have to be super careful. Wow, like here. Sometimes you don't know if you have to go a bit faster or not. It seems easier when you go a bit faster, but if you slide and fall, it could be a bit more dangerous, especially here, because there's a, yeah, if I fall down here, I'm dead actually. I think this might be maybe the most difficult part of the path, because I'm not on the top of the mountain yet. Oops, yes, go ahead. Let's just... Hola. Okay, so I think I did a part of the track. I'm on the top of something, not really the top of the mountain, but yeah, I did a part of it. I still have 66 kilometers to go. So I don't know if going down will be easier, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not on the right path. But I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I think it's the same. No, it's not. It is. No, it's not. Where am I supposed to go? You don't tell me that there's two roads. Oh, there's a little cow. Hey, what the f are you doing here? Oh, there's cows. Hello.
You're gonna go to... You're gonna visit Scrub... No, ¿cómo se dice cangrejo? Scrub. Is it okay? Scrub, like that animal with... I don't know how to say. You have a little lake.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You can stop there, eat something, and then continue. You're gonna go to the Seven Colors Mountain.
Yes.
And then you're gonna reach Uspallata.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Maybe it's a bit difficult. Guys. Wow, 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 wow. Fuck. That is too difficult for me. Wow. That is scary for me. That is really difficult for me.
When you're going downhill, only use rear brake.
Yeah, I know.
Very, very slowly, and let the bike go down.
Yeah.
Use the clutch. Don't use the clutch and let.
Only 2 second gear.
I'm going in first gear.
First gear.
First gear, very slowly.
Because that was very hard for me. I almost fell. Wow. No way. 48 kilometers like that. Are you shitting me? Fuck me.